Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Ma'am, today can
Guys,
Good afternoon, ma'am.
mute. Let's start. Sit in a comfortable cross-leg position.
backbend class?
No, today is not
Today is the backbend class?
Thursday. Today is Thursday.
Split.
Thursday. We are doing over split.
Okay.
Front split, over split.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's start with the prayer. Sit in a comfortable cross-leg position. Press sitting bones down. Lengthen the spine. Close your eyes. Inhale, reach the arms up, join the hands in prayer. Exhale, bring the prayer towards the heart center. Connect the thumbs to the beating of your heart. And take this moment to bring the attention inwards towards your breath. Observe your physical body. Observe your thoughts. Observe your emotional state. And observe your energetic field. Take this moment and set an intention for your practice. Let's start chanting one Om together. Inhale. Exhale, release the hands down. Open your eyes. Let's start. Tabletop position. Hands under the shoulders. Sorry, guys. Hands under the shoulders. Knees under your hips. Only pelvis. Cat and cow movement. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hip circles. All the pelvis. 10, 9. Big circle. 8, 7. Only pelvis. 6, 5, 4, 3. Pratibha, please. Camera on. 2, 1. Reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Now watch me. Left forearm on the floor. Only the left. Right arm straight. You're going to extend the right leg back. Point the toes. Watch me. Lift on the hip level. Forward. Touch. Lift on the side. All the way back. Touch. Lift on the hip level. To the side until the hip level here. Yes. Lift and back. We go together. We go together. Everyone left forearm down, right arm straight. Point the right toes back. Lift. Rotate towards the right. Touch down. Lift. Rotate back. Down. Lift. To the side. Down. Lift. And back. And 3. Lift. Side. Down. Lift. Back. And 4. Lift. Side. Down. Lift. Back. Last one. Lift. Side. Down. Lift. Back. Release. And change. Right forearm down. Left arm straight. Extend. Oopsie. Extend the left toes back. Lift. To the side. Touch. Lift. Back. Down. Touch. Lift. Side. Down. Up. down, lift, side, touch, up and back. Very good. Now, we will go again towards the right side. Left forearm down. Extend the right toes back. Watch me. You will lift maximum. Lift, rotate to the side maximum. And forward maximum. You will touch down. Draw a circle on the floor. And lift like a big circle. Rotate from the hip. Down and up. Okay? 5 times. Guys. The core is engaged here, okay? I'm not collapsing. Press with the right hand, press with the forearm on the left side. We lift from the hip joint. Rotate as forward as I can with the leg straight. If the leg comes here, here. Yes? On the floor, I finish the circle. And I lift. Forward. Draw the circle on the floor and back. Lift. 3. Draw the circle on the floor. Back. Lift. 4. Draw the circle on the floor. 1 more. Forward. Draw the circle on the floor. And now we will reverse. Okay, forward. Lift. Back. Touch. Through the floor. Forward. Lift. Rotate back. Touch. Through the floor. 2. Lift. Touch on the back. Forward. 3. Lift. Down and back. Floor and forward. Lift. Down and forward. And last forward. Lift. Back. And down. Amazing. Second side. Right forearm down. Left arm straight. First we go forward. Yes, extend the toes to the back. Legs straight. Lift as much as you can from the hip joint. Rotate forward. Through the floor, slide back. Lift. Forward and down. Through the floor. 2. Lift. Rotate forward. Through the floor. 3. Lift. Rotate. Forward. Through the floor. 4. Lift. Rotate forward. To the floor. 5. Lift. Rotate forward. And back. Now forward through the floor. Lift. Rotate back. Touch. Semicircle on the floor. Lift. Rotate back. Touch. And 2. Lift. Rotate back. Down. And 3. Lift. Rotate. Down. And 4. Lift. Rotate. Down. 5. Lift. Rotate. And down. Very good. Glutes are active. Hands under the shoulders. Knees under your hips. Now you will press the right foot in front of you 90 degrees. Yes? Good. Hands on the waist. Pelvis low. 1. Center. Exhale down. Center. And 2. Center. 3. Center. 4. Center. 5. Low. Tuck the back toes under. Extend the leg. Option 1, hands on the waist. Option 2, press the thigh away. Option 3, arms up. We hold 30 seconds. Time is on. Chest up, look forward with the eyes. Last 15 seconds. Side knee away from your thigh, away. Yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release the knee down and back to center, tabletop. Opposite leg, left foot in between the head. Sorry. We did the right foot. Whichever leg you didn't do, guys, I got distracted. I think we are all on the left side. If you are on the wrong side, you will notice. Yes, now again. Yeah, we're on the left side if you are following me, guys. Hands on the waist. Exhale, push the pelvis down. Inhale, center, keep the 90 degrees. Exhale, 2. Inhale, center. Exhale, 3. Inhale, up. Exhale, 4. Inhale, up. Exhale, 5. Tag the right toes under, extend the back knee, lift the chest. Hands on the waist or press the thigh away or arms up. Hold it 30 seconds. Back knee full extended. Very good. Last 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release the knee down, hands to the floor. Back to tabletop position. Very good. Now, you're going to take the blocks on the high setting. Right leg forward, 90 degrees. Yes. Tag the back toes under, bring the pelvis down. And now we will press hands to the blocks next to your ankles, right? I will open the pelvis like in cow. Press, push down. Open the pelvis like in cow. Legs straight. Heel pressing down. And down. Okay? Let's go. 1. Press the heel down. Open the pelvis. You will feel the intense stretch. Press the hands. Exhale. Forward and down. Inhale. Extend the leg. Open the pelvis. Exhale. 2. Inhale. Extend. Open the pelvis. Exhale. 3. Think of the cow pelvis when you extend the leg. Inhale. Exhale. 4. Inhale. Exhale. 5. We hold it here. Keep the back toes under. Hold it down with the hands on the block. With the hands next to your glutes. Or with the arms up. Pelvis down and forward. Knee doesn't open. Knee stays strong and forward. Hold it. 30-second hold. 30-second hold. Try to release the hands if you can. Last 15 seconds. Knee on the floor, Richa, knee on the floor. Pelvis down, pelvis down. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Change the leg. Left foot forward. Left foot forward, guys, or whichever leg you didn't do. Yes? Now, extend the leg, blocks either side. Guys, here we have to press with the heel. Open, yeah? Not cut. Cow position. We are opening the pelvis like we do here. Yes? That makes the difference in your front split. So, open, inhale. Press down, exhale. Inhale, open, extend the leg. Exhale, press the foot down, pelvis to the floor. Inhale, 3. Exhale down. Inhale 4. Exhale down. Inhale 5. Exhale down and hold. Keep the back toes under, tucked. Yes, hands either side, fingertips to the floor or arms up, eyes forward. 30-second hold. 30-second hold. Pelvis down, eyes forward. Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly, slowly. Release the hands down. Go back to tabletop position. Exhale, downward facing dog. Downward facing dog, everyone. Now you will cross right foot to the left foot to the right. Cross your feet. Cross your feet. Press and hold. Now you will lift the heels up. Exhale, heels down. 1. Inhale. Exhale, down 2. Inhale. Exhale, down 3. Cross. Opposite leg. And again. Press the feet down. Inhale, lift the heels. Exhale, down as much as you can. Inhale, up. Exhale, 2. 1 more up. Exhale, 3. Go back to normal downward facing dog, feet hip distance apart. Inhale, reach the right leg up, bend the knee to the chest, right foot between the hands. High lunge, arms up, inhale. Bring the hands in prayer, lean forward to the right foot, And option 1, extend the left leg. Option 2, both legs extend. Option 3, parallel line. Option 4, extend the arms. For warrior 3, guys. Warrior 3, final variation like this. Oh, sorry. Yes? Pick the variation. Square the hips and shoulders facing to the floor. Point the back toes and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Lift more knee to the back leg. Lift the chest. 4, 3. No blocks. Prativa. 2, 1. Lift the chest up. Lift the chest up. Same leg that was on the back. Lift it up towards the chest. Lift it up. We will extend and balance. Back. 1. Extend. Balance. 2. Extend. Yes? Guys, the leg on the floor. Fully engaged. 5 reps. 1. Control. And back. And 2. Forward extend. Control and back. 3. Forward extend. Control and back. 4. Forward extend. Control and back. 5. Extend forward and hold. Extend forward and hold. Hold, hold. Hold it. Hold it forward. Hold it. No hands. Engage the quads. Toes up. 10, 9, 8. Try Prativa. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Very good. Back to downward facing dog. Take a resting downward facing dog. Press the hands, lift the hips up. Heels that want to touch to the floor. If they cannot touch, keep the knees bent, spine straight. Very good. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, left leg up, point the toes. Exhale, left knee to the chest. Bring the left foot between the hands. Left foot between the hands. Very good. We are going for opposite side. Lift the chest. Hands in prayer. Maybe extend the leg. Maybe both legs. Maybe extend the arms. Opposite leg that you did before. Don't repeat your legs. Hold your warrior 3. Virabhadrasana 3. Hold. 10. Lift more the chest. Nearly 9. 8. No hands on furniture. 7. 6. No hands on the wall. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Strong leg on the floor. Lift the chest up. Extend the leg forward. Control and back. Inhale forward. Exhale back. Control. 2. And back. 3. And back. 4. And back. 5. And back. Come on forward and hold. Extend the leg forward, toes up, toes up, toes up. 10, 9. Don't lean back with the shoulders. 7, 6, 5, 4. Pradnya, up with the shoulders. 3, 2. You're leaning back. 1. Very good. Shake the legs. You're gonna take your belt. Guys, when we are balancing, if I'm doing this, is this the straight leg that I want? Or is this, even if my legs go here, eventually it will go up, yes? But if I'm balancing back, what is this? There's no balance there. It's very bad for your back. Don't do this, please. Now, we will fold it in half. Eyes forward. Shift the weight to the left foot. Bend the knee up. Don't look down, okay? Keep your eyes forward. Catch the strap at the middle. Bend the elbows. Knee. Extend. 1. Bend. Extend. The arms are pulling. So when I extend, it's a little bit of tension. Yes, 1. I make it difficult. There's resistance here. Yes, 2. You want more difficult? Those who have already a good hamstring flexibility, that they can straighten the leg fully, like this. Don't do like this. We are not ducks. Yes? Squeeze the glutes, hip extension. Yes? So here I try to hip extension, not overextension, just for the straight line. 1, extend. Those who want more, they go closer. 1, nothing moves on the pelvis. Guys, glutes on fire. Leg on the floor, fully engaged. Yes? 5 reps and then we hold. Let's go. 1. Exhale 2. Center. Exhale 3. Center. Exhale 4. Center. Exhale 5 and we hold 30 seconds. 30 seconds hold. Time is on. Hold, guys, don't skip it. Strong legs. Both legs fully engaged. Every muscle. Squeeze the glutes. Hip extension. Come on, Deepa. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release the leg down. Bend the knee and leg down to the floor. Second leg. Deepa, watch me. You are doing this very far. Yes, your strap is like this. You are doing this. Fold the strap in half and then catch. Yes? Even if you cannot extend fully, but don't catch too long, otherwise you will go down like this, yeah? Second leg, guys. Left leg. Touch your foot. Exhale, 1. Strong glutes. Inhale, bend. Exhale, 2. Inhale, bend. Exhale, 3. The arms pull the leg towards you. Inhale, 4. Exhale, extend. 1 more in. Exhale, extend and hold 30 seconds. Strong leg on the floor. Active leg up. Squeeze the glutes. Hip extension. Hip extension as much as you can. 30-second hold. Chest up, look forward. Look forward, ladies, otherwise you fall. Pratibha, the exercise is with the yoga belt. This is something else that you're doing. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly bend the knee and release the leg. Very good. Now, one more here. We will try to lift it higher. Yes, so now, shift the weight on the left. Watch me. We catch it close. Yes, don't catch extreme. We catch it quite close. Bend the knee up first. So I press the left foot down, extend the knee. Squeeze the glutes, bend the knee up to the chest first. And then I extend. 1. So before we were doing 90 degrees, now we try to lift the knee to the chest first. And then extend. See that my torso is up. I have to engage the core. I have to squeeze the glutes. Otherwise, this will happen. Glutes, hip extension, chest lifted, eyes forward. Don't need to look down, otherwise you will lose the balance. Yes, knee up. And then I try to extend. I pull the leg towards me for resistance. 1. And extend. Last one we hold. It's not these guys, okay? Don't let this happen. Chest lifts. Yeah?
It's the same exercise, no?
It's the
I didn't
same
understand the
on
difference.
side, because before we were doing 90 degrees. Now we're lifting the knee up and going up. Same exercise, different height. Yeah?
Have this belt, is it wrong or right? Like, correct or?
This is wrong. Because this is elastic.
Yeah.
How do you do resistance? Do you have a yoga belt?
No, I'll get one tomorrow.
Okay. Try your best. If you have a scarf, no? For now, try like this. Or a t-shirt, something that is not elastic. Yes. If it's not elastic, you can try. Everyone ready? Right leg up. Guys, focus. Eyes forward. Don't look at your leg. Extend. 1. Move slow. Keep your balance. Bend. Exhale, extend. 2. Eyes forward. Come on, Pooja. Bend. Exhale, extend. 3. Bend. Exhale, extend 4. Bend. Exhale, extend 5. And we hold. Pull the leg up as high as you can, as high as you can. 30 seconds. Guys, keep pulling the leg up. Keep pulling the leg up. Up, 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 up. Keep pulling the leg up. As high as you can. Come on, come on, come on. Try. Last 15 seconds. Deepa, come on, camera on. Try. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend the knee and slow and control. Leg down the same way. Guys, leg comes up the same way. Leg goes down the same way. Don't throw your legs here. This is not a football ball. How is this? Boom, boom, boom. No. Yeah? We bend, lift, bend, release, and down. Same way. Yes? Otherwise, your body learns control on the way to the pose, loses control on the way down. We want to have full control in when we are in the pose and down. Always. Yes? Second leg, guys. Weight on the right leg. Left leg goes up. Look forward, Richa. Look forward. Don't look down. Look forward with the eyes. Bend the knee to the chest. High, high, high. Right leg straight. Exhale, glutes. Extend. Inhale, bend. Control and balance. Exhale, 2. Inhale, bend. Exhale, 3. Inhale, bend. Exhale, 4. Inhale, bend. Exhale, 5. Leave the leg as high as you can. Keep both legs straight. Glutes engage and hold. 30-second time is on. Come on, ladies. Good job. Balance, balance, Pranya, balance. Move slow, move slow. Pratibha, why are you sitting on the bed sofa? No, no, no. This is not the way to learn asana. Guys, if we lose the balance, it's part of the process. Don't try to lean in any surface, guys. Everyone here is strong. You hold 5 seconds, 7 seconds, I don't care. You build the strength, the balance, the flexibility through trying. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You see, Pratibha, you can hold. Why are you using the bed? Guys, no. In my class, unless someone has an injury, something that has communicated to me before, no, we don't use anything, please. This is not acceptable in my class. I'm not angry or anything. It's just I want to make it clear. Your body doesn't learn if you're leaning in all the furniture in your house. In a yoga shala, you don't have furniture to lean on. Yeah? In the house, we have everything to lean on. Unless we have some condition, something. Why would we want to do that? You are putting stones in your own progress. I want you to learn and to improve, but if we touch all the furniture to find balance, how is your vestibular system finding the balance? Your vestibular system is inside your ears, is the one in charge to find balance. So if we are like this, wibbly wobbly, this is part of the process. This is how your vestibular system calibrates to find the right spot. We need to let the body do what the body has to do to find the balance. And this wibbly wobbly, it's part of the process. We cannot skip it. If we touch the furniture, how am I helping? The moment I leave the furniture, I fall and I'm back to square zero, but just more frustration because I spent so many classes leaning on the furniture. Now I have to start again. There's no point. So I'm saving you time. Yes? Forbidden. If someone has a medical condition, something, please talk to me. But I don't think in this class, no one has any condition. Yeah? Chintamani, something is wrong with your camera? I see like from an eye fish like this. I can't see you fully. It's all blur. Yes, ladies. We go to the floor. Catch your socks. Socks. We will slide. Socks and blood. We need both. Watch me first. Here, there's a lot of confusion always, yes? Watch me first. If you have some sensitive knee, yeah, my mat is quite thick, this one, so I folded once and I'm okay with it. If it's thinner, like a knee pad, something soft for your knees, yes? Now, we will bend the leg, yes? How people try to do front split, like this. Oh my God, I can't force myself into it. Yeah, good luck. You can stay like this 10 years. The moment you bend the knee, look what happened. Pelvis goes down. Eventually, oh my God, I find the flexibility, I go down. But like this, I can stay half my life. Forcing. It's not about forcing, guys. Bending the knee doesn't mean, oh, I'm taking easy variation. You're taking what your body needs right now. Bending the knee means the leg is also engaged. Doesn't mean, oh, I'm just halfway. Fully engaged. I'm sliding with the heel. Okay? Now, taking all of this in the mind. We bend the knee, we slide with the knee bend. Okay? Pelvis down. So the pelvis is arching like in calf position. Yes? We don't bring the pelvis in. Bend the knee, pelvis out, slide as low as you can. Press the hands, inner thigh strength to come up. Okay? We do 7 times sliding. At your own rhythm, guys. This is not an exercise to do like this. It's not an exercise to do like this, yeah? Bend the knee mindfully. Think about what I said. Pelvis low. And then up. If you can only go until here, you can only go until here. This is your maximum today. It's good. Yes, but don't try to straighten the leg. You're not making any easier for you, okay? I say this 1,000 times because I say 1,000 times and it happens. So I need to keep saying it. Yeah? Everyone trying, okay? 7 reps. On the exhale, you slide. Let's go. Good. With the knee bend, yes. Everyone trying. Eyes forward. Good. Vishali with the knee bend. Slide with the knee bend. Toes up. Bend the knee, toes up. Yes. Yes. We don't straighten the leg yet. We don't straighten the front leg. With the knee bend, we slide, and with the knee bend, we go up. 7 reps at your own rhythm. If someone finish, wait for me sitting, and then we will go together second side. Good, Pradnya. Urvashi, yes. Ines, yes. Pooja, yes. We are sliding, Pooja. You are stopped. I don't know if it's your camera or you are holding. We are not holding yet. We are sliding 7 times. Needy, yes. Very good, Deepa. Sliding, yes. Chintamani, if you can show me sideways, Sajni, yes. 7 reps only, guys. 7 reps only. Second side. Second side. Seven reps. Again. Prepare. We slide with the heel. The toes remain up to the sky. Let's go. 1. 2. 'Continue until 7, guys. Continue at your own rhythm. Don't stop and don't hold. We are holding after this. Wait. 7 reps. Those who finish, take a sitting position.
It was going down completely on Monday, but after leg day, not possible.
It's okay, guys. Process is not all the way up, yeah? One day, sometimes we are sore, it goes a little bit low. We feel like, oh, we are not progressing. And then the body recovers again, it goes up. Yeah? Good recovery comes with good food, hydration, and most importantly, sleep. Good sleep. Otherwise, even if you eat good and do everything on point, if the recovery in good sleep is not there, nothing comes fully out. Yeah? Now, guys, we will hold. Yes? So we will go slide on the right side first. How we will hold, guys? With the knee bend. I can straight the leg. Yes, I can. I will straight the leg. No, I won't. Yes? Tuck the back toes under so the hip doesn't open like this. Yes? Tuck the toes under. You are here, you hold here. Yes, you can bring the blocks here or here. Shoulders on top of your pelvis. You see my toes are up. Yes? Those who are lower, even if you are here, keep the knee bend. You will thank me later. Yeah? 30 seconds hold. We hold together and then second side. Yes? Let's go. Shoulders on top of your pelvis, bend the knee. And we hold. 30-second time is on. Pelvis forward, reach up, bend the knee more. Bend your knee more. Yes. Very good. If you need to put the blocks on the low setting, put on the low setting. Those who are almost on the floor, you can release the blocks. Hands on the floor. Last 10, 9, 8. Shoulders on top of hips. 7, 6, 5. Very good. 4, 3, 2, 1. Press the hands or to the block or up in the blocks and up. Change side. Left leg will slide and go. Keep the front knee bent. Keep the front knee bent. Pelvis low. See if you need the blocks on the high setting, mid setting, low setting, or no blocks. And we go. 30 seconds. Everyone on it. Eyes forward. Pratibha, keep your hands next to the pelvis. Hands next to the pelvis. Backwards. Yes. Lift the chest. Lift the chest. Yes, 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 yes. Very good. 15 seconds left. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly slide up. And watch me. We will need the chair. Yes. And the blocks. So, you place the chair on top of the mat. First, watch me. Make sure the chair doesn't slide, okay? Now, we will bring the heel on top. Yes. Back knee under the pelvis. Option 1, full straight leg, toes up. Maybe you lean forward, you sink belly towards the leg. If here it's comfortable, you stay. Option 2, lean. Option 3, hands on the floor. Option 4, arms up. Sorry, arms up, arms behind. Yeah? Fully pressing the leg towards the chair. Other knee under the pelvis. Yes? 30 seconds, one leg. 30 seconds, second leg. Yes? Square the hips forward. Toes up, heel pressing down. Hands to the blocks. Hands to the chair or arms back. Let's go. 30-second hold is on. Here you have to think of the cow pelvis, belly towards your thigh. Deep breaths, deep breaths. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release. Left leg. Same thing. Left leg on top, heel down, toes up, leg fully straight, opposite knee under your pelvis. And we start in 3. Everyone ready? 2. Heel down, toes up, leg engaged. 1. Time zone. Very good. Think of the cow pelvis, ladies. Don't forget belly towards the thigh. Last 15 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Leave the chest slowly. Very good. Release. Now, we will bring the chair a little bit to the top of the mat. We will bring both blocks under the chair. Yes? We will extend the front leg. Yes? Bend the knee. Head. Yes, you can now. Oops. You can now bring the chair closer to you. Why? Because we don't want to lean. We just want the chair for help. Yes, you can bend the knee at the front. Yes, you see? Bend. I can extend, extend, extend. Yes? I lift. Yes, and I bend the knee if I'm here. Good. Here. Yes, those who go all the way down. If you're resting the pelvis without leaning in one side, means the weight is at both legs. Arms up. Otherwise, if you're not touching the floor, hands on the chair without resting. We are not resting on the chair. Yes, it's just for balance. Okay? 2 blocks under one heel. The knee is bent. Yes?
Back leg is on toe or flat? Back leg.
Back leg is on the mat. You tuck the toes, tuck the toes. So the hip doesn't open. Guys, back toes are tucked. Otherwise, the hip opens. Yes? Yes, Ines?
My blocks don't slide in the floor.
Your blocks don't slide at
No.
all without the mat?
Yeah, they don't slide, the blocks.
Then place the blocks where you need and slide the chair towards you. To the opposite. You have a good splits already. Open the splits and help yourself with the chair. Yes, press the hands to the chair and slide the back leg. Everyone ready? We are holding 30 seconds. Keep the knee bent so the pelvis keeps reaching down. Keep the front knee bent. Yes? Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly, slowly. Coming up. Second leg. Back toes under. Tucked under. Yes, the back toes tucked under, guys. Let's go. Back knee on the floor. 30-second hold. Deep breaths. Yes, Ashika, very good. Pratibha, bend the front knee So the pelvis goes down to the floor, closer to the floor. Bend the front knee, Pratibha. The front knee is straight. Bend it. Are? Bend the knee, bend the knee. Yes, now extend the back leg back. Last 5. Yes, 4. Stay there, stay there. No. 3, 2, 1. Pratibha, you are extending the leg. You are doing opposite of what I said. Guys, if something is not clear, please tell me. But I explain 1,000 times. What happens if I extend the leg? Pratibha, look. This is happening to you. You manage to bend the knee. You manage to do this. Sorry, my chair is sticky. You managed to do this and go down, yes? As soon as you were here, you did this and this happened. So you are back to the same position. You see when you bend the knee, this happens. So eventually, maybe not today, eventually we can extend the leg. Yes? Otherwise, in the other position, you will stay for a long time because it doesn't help you go deeper. Okay? Now, guys, we will do the same. Back leg. Yes, the blocks are on the back leg. Boom. 1, 2 blocks. For the blocks not to slide, if someone needs, you can put against the wall. Yes? Now, the ankle on top. Ankle on top. Yes? Front knee bend. Ankle on top. The leg is not on the floor. So you will hold it here. Those who can go all the way down. Yes? You see, I'm not leaning this side. I'm not leaning other side. Center. Oops. Sorry, guys. Well, that happens when you lean towards one side, yeah? Now, the ankle is on top. Yes? Those who can release the hands from the chair. Yes, maybe one arm try, other arm try. Wait at the center. If you cannot, with the knee bend, you stay here. Yes? Pelvis down. You will feel a deep stretch on hip flexor psoas here, which is the muscles that need to stretch more and more. Yes? Back leg is always tricky, guys. Yes? Ankle, this part. Yes, this part on top of the block. Leg fully active so it doesn't bend. Okay? 30-second hold. Everyone prepare with your chair.
1 block.
2 blocks. 2 blocks. Let's go. Time is on. Ashika, place the ankle. You're placing the toes. Ankle on top. Full ankle on the middle of the block. So the back knee, yes. More, a bit more if you can. Internal rotation of the back leg. Those who are fully down. Internal rotation of the back leg. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly, slowly. Guys, we have to engage the back leg fully. Otherwise, it's like a chilling walking on the park. We have to engage. Yes, Urvashi. We have to engage the full leg. Like full engage. If it's half engaged, it won't work. Yes? You really have to feel the stretch, guys. Even me, I'm feeling the stretch. Everyone. Even at the lowest level, you feel the stretch, I promise. If everything is active, yeah? Second side. Let's go. Time is on. Front knee bend, Chintamani. Bend the knee a little bit. Bend the front knee. Bend the front knee, huh? Pelvis low, pelvis low, pelvis low. Lean less on the chair. Last 5, 4. Ines, extend the back knee. 3, 2, yes, 1. That's the work, Ines. That's the work. Now, ladies, watch me. Blocks. We will need blocks and the chair that doesn't move. Yes? Right leg. Heel on top. Hands under, under the shoulder, yeah? Back toes will help you slide. Slide. This knee, front knee can be bent. Yes? The blocks next to the pelvis. And we go low, 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 low. Those who can release here, here, or no hands. Yes? If you cannot release anything, it's okay, guys. This is a very intense stretch. Now, you bend the knee. Keep the hands on the block and bring more weight to the leg. So I'm not fully collapsing here. I'm just using it for balance. Yes, I'm pressing here and the back knee. The back knee, this is not the part that goes on the floor. It goes like this part. Okay? The knee doesn't suffer. No pain on the knee. Not this part. The upper thigh actually. Yes? If the upper thigh cannot touch, place a blanket, cushion, whatever you need, but don't force the bone in the floor. It's not good, yeah?
And how is your back feet?
The back toes tucked under. Why? Because the leg is elevated. We want to keep the rotation in. What happens if I don't tuck the toes under? This can happen in the beginning. Watch my toes. If I just leave it like this, what will happen? The hips start to open. You see? We want internal rotation. How do we ensure this? Tucking the toes under, the hip doesn't move. Yeah?
Patty, can we do together? You also do with instruction and we follow.
Yes. Yeah. You guys want me to train deeper splits? Let's go together. Everyone, hands on the blocks. Let me put the timer. We will hold 30 seconds, okay? 30 seconds one leg, 30 seconds other leg. Now, heel on top. Bend the knee. Tuck the back toes under. Walk back with the knee. Walk back as much as you can. Yes, bring the blocks next to your shoulders. Keep the knee bent, pelvis pressed to the floor. Those who need, go on second setting or low setting or no setting. Yes, hands down. If you can, balance. Yes, and we hold 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Shoulders on top of your hips. Shoulders on top of the hips. Very good. Last 10, 9, 8, bend the knee deep, 7, 6, yes, back knee slide, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly tuck the toes, walk the knee in, and slowly come out. Second leg. Second leg. Again, guys, hands on top of the blocks, high setting. I cannot repeat this enough. Bend the front knee. Still some people, you're not bending. Why are you so stubborn? Please don't let the ego come in between your practice. Bend the knee. I'm telling you for your progress. Now we slide back. Slide back, lift the chest. Walk the hands back. This is a perfect position, guys. We can't force the splits over split in one day. This is an amazing position to be in. Stay here. The stretch, you will feel it. Why you want to push? Yes, eyes forward. Go all the way down. Those who are able to go all the way down, and we hold. Time is on. with blocks, without the blocks, with the arms up. Hold it. Eyes forward. Richa, eyes forward. Yes. With the chair, Richa, what are you doing on the floor? With the chair, ladies. Sanjita, bend the front knee. Lakshmi, try to extend the front leg. Very good, Ashika. Try to release. Urvashi, very good. Pramya, try to release their arms. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly tuck the toes, walk the knee in, and release the leg. Good job, ladies. Take a rest. Last for today. Watch me. We will go to the wall. Those who are doing the over splits challenge with me, you know what this is about. We're gonna have fun. You take the chair. Yes. From the wall, you count 1, 2. Yes, from the wall, 1 step, 2 steps. Leave the chair on the high part of the chair. Yes. On the high part of the chair, you will extend the leg up. If this is too much, you count 1 step more and go. The closer you go, the more difficult it is. Yes, so we want to count 1, 2, maybe 3 steps. Don't go more than 3 steps, okay? Then, from here, we lift the leg up. Bend the back knee. Tuck toes under like this. Option 1 like this. Option 2, extend the legs. Toes on the wall. Option 3, you go closer with the pelvis and hold. Yes, those who are more advanced. Closer to the wall. Okay? 30-second hold. Everyone ready? With your chair, count your steps. Remember, the closer you go, the more intense it is. Upper leg, internal rotation. Don't let the hip open. You can bend the leg that is on the floor to go a bit deeper. Pratibha, bend the leg on the floor. Lakshmi, don't fold on the chair. Lift the chest. Yes, yes. Time is on. Time is on, ladies. 30 seconds. Come on. Urvashi, stay. Yes, Anjita. Ines, yes. Chintamani, yes. Lakshmi, look forward. Yes, yes, yes. Pratibha, come on. Shika, you are doing opposite, but good. What you're doing is good, but it's not the exercise. You're doing something else. Last 5, 4, Sajni, yes. 3, 2, 1. Opposite leg, Urvashi, yes, very good. Urvashi, you can, for the second leg, you can bring the chair closer to you so you can lift more the chest. And Richa, show me from the side, no? Side angle. Otherwise, I can't see. Deepika K, I can't see your legs. I can only see your hands. Everyone ready? Second leg. Take it as a new page. It can be very different. It can feel very different, yes? Let's go. All the way up. Very good. Bend more the lower leg. Richa, bend more. Lift the leg up. Lift the leg up. Other leg up. Internal rotation of the hip. Last 7. 6. Pranya. Wow. Sanjita, yes. 5. 4. Urvashi, very good. Yes. Ashika, 3. Pratibha, wow. Lakshmi, yes. Chintamani, yes. Deepika, yes. Sajni, yes. Wow, ladies. Ines, yes. Ines, you have a good opening, huh? Can you lift one arm up? Can you catch your leg? With the same leg, same arm. Keep the other arm on the chair. Just lift away. No? You're very close, huh? Very good, guys. Very good. Yes, Urvashi. Yes, very good, guys. Amazing.
To
Sit.
do that you said, should I put the other hand in the center of the chair?
I was
No.
saying, you lift the leg up. Yes? You were having both arms here, yes? Sorry.
Uh-huh.
Arms here. So I was telling, lift one.
Huh.
This you
Yeah,
are
I don't have
You
I
have a
didn't have the
charge.
stability to do that.
Oh, you have a very good Arja. I think in your head it's a big deal, but in reality, I see you're very close. Next time. Next
See.
time. Ladies, good job. Super happy with this class, huh? Amazing. It always feels good. It feels intense during the class, but now you will feel like so grounded after all of this. Yeah? Now, one final stretch. Feet together in a diamond shape. Open like a diamond. Not this, this. Interlace the fingers, bend the elbows, and round the spine forward. Hold, and then we do the prayer. Deep breaths. Elbows outside of your legs, Nidhi. Deep breaths. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly, slowly coming up. Very good. Sit in a comfortable cross-leg position. Press sitting bones down. Lengthen the spine. Close your eyes. Inhale, reach the arms up, join the hands in prayer. Exhale, bring the prayer towards the heart center. Connect the thumbs to the beating of your heart. And take this moment to bring the attention inwards. Feel the heart beating for you, keeping you alive. Appreciate the fact that you're alive, that you're living this life through a human experience and the uniqueness that it comes with it. Take also this moment to thank yourself for showing up today with love and compassion towards yourself, towards your body, and in devotion to your practice. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Let's finish with one three shantis together. Inhale. Shanti, shanti, shanti. Wrap the palms, bring all the energy towards the palms of your hands. Place them to cover your eyes. Blink the eyes open, allow the light to enter your eyes through your eyes. Slide the palms on your face, draw a beautiful smile. Namaste. Thank you so much. Super happy? Yes?
So much.
Thank you, guys.
Amazing, amazing class.
Yes. Split is always amazing. A little bit of suffering during the class and then we all feel good, yeah?
So much improvement, huh, ma'am? So much improvement.
Urvashi, I was like jaw dropping down. I was like, wow. Amazing, huh?
Credit goes to only Petty, ma'am.
No. Your effort also deserves the credit, no? I guide you. The rest is all you. Yeah, it's only the guide. The rest is all you. I cannot do the effort for you. Yeah, so take your.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Ma'am, please share morning sessions video today's
Guys,
session.
I'll share whenever it's uploaded. Yeah, I have classes in between. I share always by the end of the day. I try my best to go fast, but please don't ask me every 5 minutes because I can't go faster. Yeah, because it has to export. You see, it has to export the video into the computer and then it has to upload. So that takes the time in between the classes. So whenever I have the free time, I'm the first one quickly uploading the video. Anyways, Pooja, you will not do the class again today. Yes or no? Please don't. Yes.
Yes, yes.
Wait until tomorrow. Today, if you at least do another new class. Don't repeat this again today. There's no point, guys, I assure you. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you.
See you all tomorrow. Bye-bye.